Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on the application of Threads. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Threads and you click. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.